Hey, what's up, guys? I'm really excited to show you this. It's prolific AI. It's something I've been working on for over 2 years now, and it is a completely different uh, sort of a toolkit for writers. It's unlike anything else out there, and it really can help you to be much more productive, much more creative, and it makes writing a lot easier, a lot more effortless. So let's just dive in. I'll show you how it works. It's not just another AI writing tool or something like that. But so I'll show you the features as we go through. So I'm going to start with creating a new project, and because the first thing I'm going to show you is 100% automated articles created by AI. I want to show you some stuff that it's pretty good at, and it gets to the point where it's indistinguishable from a human writer. So yeah, baseball blog, I'll call it that. Description is really important on this stuff. It really guides the AI a lot as far as how the output goes. So alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this, and then I'm going to go over here to the title creator and generate some titles. Alright, that's good. And that one's all messed up. So I'm going to go with those. Okay, so this is the bulk content writer. So it's going to take this about 2 minutes, and and then it's going to be what they're going to be. Hopefully, is fully written, 100% ready to publish articles, and it's pretty amazing. The way we've done this is through first of all we use our own custom language models that we've trained for nonstop for 2 years. We also use what's called prompt engineering and prompt chaining. So a lot of pretty much any other site out there is going to go and they're going to say, tell the AI, okay, write this. It's going to write it. Well, what we do is we go in and we say, hey, write a description for this, write an outline for this, and then we have it edit itself, and then we have it write an introduction, and then each section, and then a conclusion, and then it's also self-edited again. So it does a really good job of just coming up with really, 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 really good content. So it's going to be about done here. And then while that's finishing up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a new document, and I'm going to let's keep it on the baseball theme. Let's see. Okay. So I'm going to create that, and then we're going to go over here to a blog writer. Actually, okay. So here I've got my title, my description, and I'm going to put an outline. So just a brief outline, and then what the AI is going to do here is turn this into a full-length blog post. So, there. So as you can see, it takes the outline that I gave it and just expands on it. Must be fast. Must be great reflexes. Basically means they have quick hands and feet, and it does a really great job. I mean, it's awesome content. And when you steer, I call it steering the AI. When you give it an outline and a description and tell it to go to town, it's just incredible how well it produces content that is kind of exactly what you're hoping for. And another cool thing here is, let's say, oops. Okay, this is really good, but it's not done. It hasn't completed the content yet. So what I'm going to do is just go to your writing assistant here, and I'll go about medium length and hit write. And again, 10-15 seconds, depending just kind of on the server load and things like that. But come on. So as you can see, and then what I could do is, like right here, I want to just end it, just write conclusion, boom, and then do a shorter one. So there, I mean, 700-word article, and plus this one's kind of a short article, unfortunately, but and again, I can expand on that with the writing assistant if I wanted to. And of course, that was like the worst example I could give you guys, but it's all right. It's not always perfect, but again, you can come through and you can do the you can do the automatic, the writing assistant, and so there you go. How to throw a curveball. Okay, and again, you can use this just like you would a regular text editor. You can type into it. You can write it, save your documents, save your projects. Everything's here for you. It does come up with titles and stuff for you if you wanted to. It automatically writes for you if you wanted to. And then one other thing I'll show you real quick is the human quality rewriter. Let's see. Let me find something to rewrite. This is actually incredibly amazing. It's, so here we go. Let's do that. But think about all the times you post a blog post or written something, and maybe you want to share it on social media. Maybe you want to guest post somewhere with it. Maybe you want to post it on Medium or whatever you want to do. You can take any content basically and instantly make it 100% unique, but also without sacrificing the quality, and also while retaining the underlying concepts and the ideas of the original. So it's really, really cool stuff. So as you can see, boom. So it's completely different. I don't know if you can see that. Tell you what, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to take it over to Copyscape real quick. And that one's actually a little higher. It's normal. The normal is about a 22.4% match, which it's debatable in SEO, with duplicate content penalties, how unique it needs to be. But it does a really good job of just kind of completely rephrasing something while keeping the main underlying ideas intact. And it lets you create content, again, really, really fast. And I'll take you back through here and show you just a few other things real fast. Okay, so I'm just going to show you some examples of things that I've done in here. Find clients for your agency. Let's see. How to choose the right auto injury attorneys. That's actually a really good one. 5 reasons to hire an auto injury. So, these are great for local SEO. 5 tips for working with an auto injury attorney. Basically, almost everything that comes out of this is, ready to publish phenomenal content. So, I don't necessarily recommend always, generating everything automatically, but if you want to do that, this is the best way to do it. However, when you do things like the blog writer, where you give it an outline, a description, and you let it write based on that, the prompt engineering that went into that, to figuring out how to get the AI to do that correctly, that's just countless months upon months of research to get that down right. And I guarantee you that nobody else has that, not in the way that we do. So yeah, it's consistently just phenomenal, 100% unique content. I will say that the quality, of some other, like the bigger AI writers out there, they're going to be on par with us. You're not going to find anybody that's going to have better quality. And really, a lot of the time, we're going to have much better quality depending on what you're doing. For long-form content, for unsupervised, automated content, definitely, we're gonna just nobody else is trained for that. Nobody else is designed for that. So this is something that can really, I try not to get too overly excited about it, but it's something that can really just kick your productivity and what you're able to do and accomplish into overdrive. It's not like an article spinner where you're just using synonyms. It's not like scraping content from the web. This is original 100% unique content. And a lot of time it's, depending on what you're doing, it's based on your unique ideas, your unique insights. So you can turn your ideas into full-length content in seconds. And it's a really amazing thing. And in the right hands, if you're somebody that understands how to use this, it can be life-changing. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I encourage you to give it a try as a free trial. And I can't wait to see how you use it. And thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.